Welcome to my channel, Joss Moses Kitchen. Today I am preparing the classic of Kerala, roast chicken. The restaurant style, the pure how you get in a restaurant. It's my recipe, you won't be disappointed. Let's come with me, let's relax, enjoy cooking with me. But don't miss out to subscribe my channel, Joss Moses Kitchen. It's a mouth-watering recipe. Marinate the chicken first. Add chicken to the bowl. Add coconut oil. Add vinegar, chili powder. Add coriander powder. Add turmeric, salt, let's marinate the chicken. Rest the chicken. Slice the onions, slice the tomato, julienne the ginger, slice the garlic, Slip the chilies. Let's pan fry the chicken. So all the juice from the chicken will be locked inside. Get it like this on a medium low heat. Add a little bit of coconut oil. Skillet is very hot now. Let's pan fry the chicken. Just half done. By doing this pan fry, it seals the chicken, the juice from inside, right? So it will be very juicy and very tasty. Let's flip the chicken. See? Nice crispy. Transfer to a plate. Use the same pan, coconut oil, mustard seed, that is cracked, cinnamon stick, cloves, star anise, add nutmeg, cardamom, black peppercorn, cumin seed, fennel seed, crushed red chilies, stir well. The whole spices are getting cooked now. Nice fragrance are coming out. Ginger, garlic, chilies, curry, stir well. Fragrance from the ginger, garlic, green chili is coming out, and all the spices, red onions. Combine well. Make sure stir always. See the onions now? Nicely sauteed. Nice golden color. I know it will take a little bit time on a low heat, stir always, to get this onion like this. But when you do like this, you will feel the difference when you eat. You can enjoy and eat. Turmeric, chili powder, combine well. Let the spices cooked. Add tomatoes. Same process again. Stir continuously. Cooking on a slow heat. The onions, the tomatoes melts to the gravy and makes it very flavorful. See now, the gravy is nicely combined with tomatoes. Add some water. Combine well. Let's add the pan-fried chicken to the gravy. Combine well on a very low heat. The chicken roast we just made is getting ready. Not yet, but It's almost into 75% cooked, but the fragrance coming out from the spices, oh, it's amazing. The chicken is 90% cooked now. Now we'll add a little bit of coconut milk. When we adding the coconut milk, it gives a nice creamy texture to the roast. When you're adding coconut milk, don't add too much. Just a little for the creamy touch. It's a mouth-watering recipe. Chicken roast just we made. It's ready. The fragrance is coming out. It's all over in my kitchen. See? I already taken the spoon because I already tasted some also. Because it's so tempting. Chicken is nicely cooked, juicy. Let's taste the gravy first. See, nice structure for the gravy. Nice color, nice creamy. Let's taste first. Wow. 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 Super. I'm not making it out, it's wow. Because I'm a chef. I must be truthful when I taste a food. If it's not good, it's not good. But this one, it's super. You won't be disappointed. But it's just gravy I tasted, but there's a main ingredient, chicken. Let's try the chicken. It's piping hot, Be careful when you eat like this. But I want to eat it, it's so tempting. It's very juicy. The chicken is so juicy. When we pan fried, the juice is there and it's just cooked to the perfection. And all the flavors from tomato, onion, spices, and a creamy touch of coconut milk. It makes it very beautiful. So how you eat? Enjoy and eat. Don't miss out to subscribe my channel, Joss Moses Kitchen.